Hi, friends. My name is Ms. Abar, and I am a kindergarten teacher in District 4. How many of you are kindergarten students? Awesome. My students love working with Google Slides. We use Google Classroom in our classroom, and Google Slides is how I send them their homework and their assignments. But one thing that my students have is a lot of help at home. They usually have mom and dad helping them. Some of them, however, told me that they wanted to learn how to do Google Slides on their own, how to move the shapes from one side to the other. I said I was going to create a video to help them with that. And since I'm making it for my students, I might as well share it with you. So I'm going to share my screen, just like your teacher does in class, and I'm going to share with you some of the slides. For today's slide, we're going to be working with subtraction. Subtraction is minus or take away, take from. So those are some of the problems we're going to do today, okay? Okay, so let's begin. Practice slides. Mr. Jones has 9 basketballs. He brings 7 out to recess. He now has 2 left in the gym. Move the balls and complete the number sentence to match the story. Oof, so much work. Now, how do I move these things? They're not moving when I tell them to. They move when you use the clicker. You have a cursor here. See me moving it over this one basketball? When you press down on it, you can slide it. You see how it moved? And you can do that and you can figure out where you want to slide things to or where you want to put them in, what order you want to put them in, excuse me. So let's begin the actual problem and then I'll show you more. It says, Mr. Jones has 9 basketballs. Let's stop there and actually count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good. Did you count it in a different way? You probably did. Okay, he brings out 7 to recess. He now has 2 left in the gym. Move the balls and complete the number sentence to match the story. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is actually move the visuals. The visuals are the basketballs here. So I am going to move 7 because he's moving 7 out to recess. Okay, let me figure out how to do that. I'm going to do 1 here. I'm just going to move them away from the formation. And I'm going to try to stack them one on top of the other so that I can still count them, but they don't take up too much room. 4, 5, and the way I'm clicking them is I move the cursor over what I want to click, I press it down, and then I drag it at the same time. This is 5, 6, and 7. Let me count again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. And then he now has 2 left. 1, 2, good. Move the balls and complete the number sentence. Let me see. I moved the balls and now I have to complete the number sentence to match the story. Huh, blank minus blank is blank. So this one would have to be the 9. Oh, here's the 9. I'm going to put the 9 here. 9 minus 7, and you move the numbers in the same exact way that you did with the basketballs, is 2. Perfect. Mr. Jones has 9 basketballs. He brings out 7 to recess. He now has 2 left in the gym. 9 minus 7 is 2. Another way to say that is 9 take away 7 leaves 2. Wasn't that easy? I know. I thought you did a great job. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Ooh, this one looks a little bit different because these are all in a row. The other one was in a 5 group. This one has them all in a row. I wonder if that makes it a little bit harder for us. Let's try it anyway. Malaika has 8 soccer balls. She gives 6 away to her friends. Now she has 2 left. Move the balls and complete the number sentence to match the story. Okay, let me count how many soccer balls. I love counting. It's one of my favorite things to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. This time, I want to try making my number sentence before I move the balls. So since I know that I'm starting with 8, I'm going to go ahead and move the number 8 here. 8 minus, she gives away 6, so it will be 8 minus 6. Now she has 2 left is 2. Yes, 8 minus 6 is 2. Now I'm going to move the balls to make sure. I'm going to be moving 6 away. So I'm going to stack them up down here. And again, you click and drag, click and drag. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Another way is 8 take away 6 leaves 2. Awesome job, friends. When you get the slides from your teachers, you are going to be so good at moving them. You should be so proud of yourself. I am proud of you, and I know your teachers are too. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get a lot of practice. Thank you, friends. See you soon.